you doing? You right?
Oh, fuck! Just tripping all over the place. How you doing, mate? You alright? Look at this. Yo. This is cool. How you doing? I'm Rushy.
Charlie's mum.
Oh, Charlie's mum.
Yeah.
How you doing? I give you a hug.
Good, thank you.
How are you? Okay, lovely to meet you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. How doing, little man? Say what's up to YouTube. He's the star of the show today. And here's Mumsy.
Oh.
Gemma, right?
Yeah, that's it, yeah. No
This is a lovely place. We've got the team. Nate Dogg is online here. We've got Charlie's dad. Let me quickly say hello to YouTube. Where are you on the other side? Say what's up to YouTube.
Hello.
Everyone knows you now anyway.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Everyone knows you.
Being Charlie's dad.
His actual name's Nick, by the way. This is Nick.
Sounds funny on custody, but he couldn't even do
Are they literally giving you the place to us today?
People can come in and out. It's like a community sort of thing. It's absolutely brilliant. Sort of Ben the trainer and Luke and that the owner just lets people come in here, use it and stuff like that. It's to help everybody.
It's good, yeah.
So you've got the big estate up the road. Yeah, it just helps out. It's literally a massive family.
Oh, that's
really
nice.
Good vibe. Yeah, it's lovely.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. It's currently 11:20 here in Kingston at Two Kings Boxing Gym. Today I'm filming the behind the scenes to the On the Ropes episode, so episode 2 of On the Ropes. We're filming today, so come follow me through right now. Hopefully get some light here. You guys all know Nick. This is the legendary dad of Charlie. Where's Charlie at? Charlie, say what's up again.
Hello.
Tell us a little bit about this gym so that we can walk through as well.
Yeah, well, the gym's sort of open to the community and things like that. Basically, they need as much help as they can with people coming down to help pay the rent. Sort of the trainers are absolutely brilliant. They give up all their free time, sort of their own money to keep it running. Everything. They're absolutely brilliant. I can't say enough for how much it's helped myself and Charlie. Here's two of the main men. That's Ben Young there. That's one of the top trainers we've got. Sweet. And there's Luke, another one of the trainers.
Big heavy bags, exercise machines there, pull-ups, dips, ground frames. Cool, man. We've got Nathan here setting up. So, like I said, we're going to keep it raw. We haven't got Gemma's mum, Charlie's mum, Gemma.
Hi.
We've never had her on YouTube, guys. So we want to say thank you for creating Charlie. He's an absolute legend on the channel, and yeah, we just want to say thank you.
You're welcome.
For letting us film today as well,
No
both
problem.
of you. Yes, guys, welcome to the commentary. So, first off, guys, this was such an awesome day. Getting to know Charlie's family, Charlie himself, obviously just seeing him train, and coming down to this really authentic gym. So big up to Two Kings for allowing us to use this space on the day. But I had such a great time, and yeah, I just thought I'd take this time out to say thank you to you guys as well, and thank you for being so patient, especially for the Icon rope pre-order. Like, we've had a few delays, like logistically and off-site outside the HQ where everything's kind of getting prepped, and the reservation list was just so big, guys. It was like so much bigger than we anticipated, and that's what's kind of caused the delay. So I just wanted to take this time to say thank you and sorry, but we are getting it done. They will go out very soon. Then I had my mate come down as well. This is a university friend who I've known for quite a long time, and yeah, Kunal. And if you guys watch his channel really closely, he was one of the first transformations that I ever kind of had with a skipping rope. I gave him the Skip Fit 15 plan, my original ever workout, and he lost over 20 kgs in the last couple of years now, doing skipping and getting into it. And yeah, we just had a good time, just me getting to know Charlie a little bit more, just watching him train, look at him on the legacy rope here. And yeah, we just had like a good laugh, getting to know everyone. And then we had a few issues with the microphones. Our microphones weren't really working, but we got through that. But listen, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, stick around and enjoy. We're having a few issues with our kind of mic packs, our lab mics they're called. They're just not picking up any frequencies on the camera. So we're now trying to do a little bit of jiggery poker, setting up the mic, all the stuff you guys don't see. Are you feeling nervous?
Oh, just a little bit.
Are you really?
I'm not used to this at all.
Nah, you're a confident guy.
Big time.
Are you confident?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. That's what I like to hear. Come on, Dad.
Yeah, no, I'm
Bring
used
it
to
home.
talking to old dears when I'm cleaning their windows. That's it. Having a cup of tea and a nice tune, mate.
Something different from the day job,
Oh,
right?
big time, yeah, big time. I let Charlie watch Rocky probably 2 years ago at Christmas, and he told me he wanted to do boxing. That was it. So I managed to find this gym, lucky enough. First thing you come through the door, the trainer says, learn to skip. So that was it. Charlie had to learn the skip. Then on, that's it. He's just been trying and practicing. He's managed to do the skipping, get confident at it, and then it's brought him on to the other aspects of boxing.
Tell me about the tricks. How do you learn the tricks? Do you know? Is there any advice you can give anyone else who wants to learn the tricks that you know?
Practice, and then you'll make it right.
Absolutely gassed with this one. Really pleased how the interview just came out. Little Charlie, super sweet man, just melts my heart every time he talks. But we got a lot of good content questions. Nate Dog. Yeah. Feedback. We had a few issues with the mic. I already told them. The main thing is we made something happen, and we fixed the audio. And if it does come out a little bit echoey, we don't mind because it's authentic. It's authentic. We're in a gym, and we just got to make it happen. But I think the answers were really good. Little Charlie was a little bit nervous, but he's just super sweet man. Like,
yeah, for sure.
My heart was just melting, bro. He's just too cute, man. Listen, that's that bit done. Now we're gonna get like doing the fun bit. Nate's gonna get his stuff together, and we're gonna be shooting some skipping as always. And we're gonna get it rolling, man. How did you think they did, the boys?
Yeah, good. Yeah, I think Ty's a little bit nervous, but you're alright, aren't you, mate? Yeah.
Were you a little bit nervous, were you, Charlie?
Kind of.
Kinda. It's good though. I think you were good. I think you're natural. Yeah. You gonna enjoy watching it when it comes out.
Yeah.
And you doing good in school?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To get forward-ish.
Yeah.
You done really well on that bit. Let's do the fun bit. We're gonna do some skipping. You excited?
Yeah.
That's it, man. Let's do it.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again.
Good work, Charlie. Good work. Keep that. This kid. What a guy. Dad's messing up the routines. Oh, mate.
That's it, done.
Nathan, I'll give you a $5 to take one of those. I'll buy you a drink after. Drink after, yeah? Charlie, bigger shot, yeah? Hold on. The things we do for money, guys. Oh, man! Red! Josh! you just busted the abs there, aren't you, mate? A big punch from the boss here. Ready? Go easy with me, mate. Oh. How was that, Rush? Oh. That's good, man. Got you good. It got me good, man. That was harsh. Well done, mate. Super tiring, right?
See, one day it will click and he'll realise just how good he is.
Coming to the end now, we're just getting a thumbnail shot here. Charlie's been an absolute star. I've been super impressed with what you've been doing and how you've been helping our team, you and Dad. I've got a couple of gifts for you, but what I want to ask you is if you want to be the Rush Athletics ambassador, our youngest athlete in the world. Would you like to join our team?
Okay.
There you go, man, give it a hug.
But yeah.
Cheers, man. We were quite uncertain if he would say yes, but he said yes. Contracts will be signed very soon, guys. We'll have the press conference in the next episode. Dad, thanks so much.
Yeah, no, thank you.
Thank you for giving us this amazing space, and to Two Kings Boxing. Thanks to Mummy. And Charlie, of course, the star of the show. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Killed it. Alright guys, as we always say, I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog, a little bit raw. If you're a dad, if you're a mum out there, get your kids involved. This kid is only 8 years old, but he's honestly one of the sickest I've seen with the ropes at his age. You're gonna be a world champion soon, yeah? Yeah? One day we're gonna do it, yeah? Alright guys, we'll check you in that next video. Take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace. Thank you so much. See you later guys. Give a high five. We'll just get some high fives to YouTube. High fives, mum.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, buddy. Thank you so much.
No worries.